Hey guys, it's me again. I am here to talk to you about the next steps on teaching your child how to read. So now that you've watched the first video, if you haven't, click the little I in the top right corner of the screen right now. Okay, now that you've done that, you are all caught up and you're ready to move on to the next steps. So one really quick thing to move on to the next phase with your child that I like to do over breakfast time is write out words that all have the same ending letters. So what I mean by that is start with that whole working out the sounds, right? We're sound in and out. Why not use the phonics technique? Write out the word cat. Have your child sound it out. K-a-t. Then show them that when you take the C away and add an S. Now what does it say? What does S say? S. Sound it out. Sat. And keep going over and over and over, repeating this as many things that you could think of that all end in A-T. So cat, sat, pat, rat. They laugh when you put fat. Mat, hat, bat. So now you just get so excited because they have gotten the hang of it and they're quickly reading these words faster than they've been reading things prior to this moment, and it's very exciting for them and they're understanding and getting it, right? Then the next morning, show them things that end in I-N-K, ink, pink, sink, tink, wink, think. This is where you can teach them is TH. Is TH. So that was like a little example of how I talk to my son. I always repeat that whole concept, and sometimes I make a little song out of it. So you do what really works for your child. What are they motivated by? And if you take time every morning or afternoon, or just pick your time that works really in your schedule to start doing these practices, and then they're going to really start catching on. Okay, the next video I'm going to talk about a book that I have coming in the mail to me, and it's supposed to teach your child how to read in 20 lessons. I'm going to try it out now that I've built all this background information for my 3 almost 4-year-old, and see that what happens over 20 days. So you do 1 lesson a day for 15 minutes, and I'll let you know how successful it is. I'll tell you the book title in the next video. So keep an eye out for that. In about, it's going to be here in 2 days, so 22 days, I will be making the video and posting it as soon as I can. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, would like to hear more about specific topics, please let me know. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. We really want to hear from you, and I want to know what you like and what you don't like in these videos so that these can keep getting better to help you. If you want more tips and tricks on childhood literacy, please go to chalkituptocrap.com/mom and read my articles on developing childhood literacy, where I go in details from 0 to older child age of my tips and tricks, how you can build vocabulary and language development over time, and how all of that plays into later on being able to read. I will be doing a video about that as well. You can look forward to that next week. Have a great day.